How to make the most delicious trifle.
This is the ultimate summer dessert.
Most ingredients in this recipe can be bought ready-made from a store.
Add the eggs to sugar, then mix that one until soft, then add the flour, and then after that add the melted butter. Bake at 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes, then leave aside to cool down. Meanwhile, you can make your fruit compote or fruit sauce. Yeah, I'm cooking some berries. I added some sugar and some lemon juice, and then I'm gonna leave them for 5 minutes, and here it's ready. Next, I'm making jelly. You can buy it from the store, or you can make it by yourself by adding boiling water, then add cold water and leave it to set in the fridge for a couple of hours. Next is custard. So add sugar, then add custard powder, then add cold milk. Bring it to a boil, but while you're doing that, mix it well to avoid any lumps until it thicken up. If you're vegan, you can use oat milk or soya milk. Now it's starting to thicken up and it's done. Switching it off now. Okay. You can put it in water straight away. You want to cool it down quickly enough so it doesn't, because we know it's going to get thicker and we don't want any layer forming. So this is it. Now the last thing is double cream. So we just need to whip it until it's fluffy and ready. Put a tablespoon of golden syrup. There you go. Probably maybe that's it now. So I'm gonna stop here. This is all we need. So here I have the jelly, and here I have some fruit there. I've cooked that one in juice, it's juice, and custard, and here we have a strawberry, blueberries, and here's the cake. Or you can use a biscuit, like sponge biscuit, or fingers. Alright, so now we need to assemble everything now. So let's start. And now these ones, I'm just going to spread them on the bottom now. The next thing here comes is all these nice lovely fruit that I made. The jelly. So I'm just going to add the jelly there. Lovely. Strawberries. Put them there. Just put in the rest of the jelly. So make sure all the jelly is gone in. Here. The custard. Oh, this is the custard. It's quite thick, but that's nice. That's lovely. Now, last thing is the whipped cream. So we'll add it and then level it. Here. Now it's up to you what you're gonna add to the topping. You can add more fruit, you can add sprinkles, you can add chocolate, you can add whatever you want. Now we add the rest of the fruit or sprinkles, and that's it. The first trifle is done. So for the second trifle, I'm going to use this glass. I have Swiss roll to use for the cake. I have a couple of fruits. I have some cherries, strawberries and blueberries, and some mango, and a tiny little bit of jelly that's left. I'll use that. So first, let's mix the cream cheese with icing sugar. Fold in well, then add vanilla essence and orange zest. Mix well. Now let's assemble it. Now I'm making here cake first, fruit, and add some cream cheese, and you can repeat those things, those layers, as you wish until you finish. And just make sure you finish with the cheesecake on top, and then add some fruit there, and you can sprinkle maybe chocolate or put more sprinkles. You can do whatever you like. Now relax and watch the rest of the video. So now this trifle is done. Yum yum. Now let's taste it and see what's like. That's what it should be. Mango.
Oh, okay. Trying to
Cherry.
get a little bit of everything.
Cherry and mango and
100%. 10 out of 10.
so now is the moment of truth. We need to taste it. Honestly,
Is that cake at the bottom? Honestly,
without
it's quite nice. The fruit is getting the fruit is kind of bursting right after. The cake is nice.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.